Hi, it's Mike here from Mike on Harraway Cars, based down in Weston Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk you around this 2017 reg Ford Tourneo Connect wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the moment. This one's only done 13,000 miles from new. It's a one owner car, ex-motability, so it comes with a full service history. It's converted by allied vehicles and has seating for 3 plus space for your wheelchair, passenger or mobility scooter. So 2 in the front, 1 in the rear. Also comes with an electric winch, so you can see there in the centre. It's got a nice lightweight, easy to operate ramp, and so that's a 400 kilo load, so that should be ample for most people's needs. Also has rear parking sensors, so that little black dot is there. Comes with privacy glass, so it keeps it a bit more private and a little bit cooler in the summer months. As you can see, inside it's all nice and clean and tidy, so I should expect it 13,000 miles. There's your rear seat there for your rear passenger. So it also comes with front fog lights. I'll take you around, just show you inside the driver's side. So there you go, 13,156 miles. So your radio CD player also has Bluetooth for your mobile phone, so you can connect your phone. So your air conditioning controls, also has a heated front windscreen, so they're fantastic in the cold frosty mornings. So it's got driver's airbag, it's got a passenger airbag there as well. So your electric windows, front and rear, electric mirrors. So you've got a height adjustment there for the driver's seat. So there you have it. If that's of interest or you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or drop me an email. Thanks for watching.